Best Planting Practices and Weed Control, Video 15. Welcome back to Akilimo. In this video, we will talk about how to control weeds from 8 weeks onwards after planting your cassava. At 8 weeks after planting, your cassava should be tall enough to permit the use of herbicides to control weeds. You can now spray a herbicide product containing fluazifop, P-butyl, glyphosate, or glufosinate ammonium. Contact your local agro dealer to find out what herbicide products are available in your area. And again, make sure you use herbicides correctly and safely. Follow the instructions of the manufacturer to make sure you apply the herbicide at the correct rate. We recommend you call on a trained service provider. Also, it's best to not always use the same herbicide product. Alternate between products with a different active ingredient. That way, you avoid weeds that develop herbicide resistance. You should avoid herbicide touching the green parts of your cassava crop. At 8 weeks, the lower parts of the stems of your cassava plants will have lignified. This means they have become woody and are no longer green. Still, we strongly advise to use a spray shield during the first spray operations. This will make it easy to spray the weeds and avoid spraying the leaves or green stems of your cassava crop. Of course, you can also opt to continue controlling weeds manually, or you can use a mechanical weeder. Mechanical weeders are another way to save on labor. Our research has shown that the method of weed control does not affect the yield of your cassava crop as long as you control weeds properly and timely. At around 12 weeks after planting, the canopy of your cassava crop will start to close and your crop will no longer require intensive weeding. But we advise to still conduct a weeding operation at the onset of the dry season. That way, weeds will not remove water from the soil and your cassava will be able to grow longer into the dry season using the moisture stored in the soil. Thanks so much for watching. You have almost reached the end of this video series. In our next and last video, we will give a short summary of everything we've learned. See you soon in our next video. Akilimo, we know cassava.